Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. This video is specially dedicated to Chili Pot Kitchen subscribers. Chili Pot Kitchen crossed 2000 subscribers within 4 months. Thank you all for your love and continuous support. It keeps motivating me to do more videos. I'm learning new things every day and improving my work based on your constructive feedback. Today I'm going to show you a very special recipe, cassata ice cream. Cassata or cassata siciliana is a traditional recipe from Italy. It is also called as Neapolitan ice cream, containing candied or dried fruit and nuts with or without a thin slice of spongy cake. This ice cream is so famous in India. I have lot of special memories eating this with my friends. I am away from India for a very long time and this homemade cassata ice cream makes me to cherish those valuable memories. This cassata ice cream has 4 layers of ice cream. These flavors are requested by my son. You can use any ice cream of your choice, but these flavors are best. I have used eggless homemade ice cream for this cassata recipe. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. First, bake a spongy cake. You can use a box cake mix or you can make your own. The cassata goes best with a vanilla cake. You can bake the cake in the air fryer, Instant Pot or oven. Mine is baking in an air fryer and also in the Instant Pot. In upcoming weeks, I will show you how to bake the cake in the air fryer and in an Instant Pot. Now let's see what are the flavors I'm gonna use it for this yummy cassata ice cream. You can use any flavors of your choice. You can make your creamy ice cream at home within a few minutes or you can use the store one. First, I made delicious mango ice cream. I have already shared how to make this yummy and creamy mango ice cream at home. I have given the link for this mango ice cream in the description box below. Please do check it. Next one is strawberry ice cream. I have given the link for this also. Another one is creamy pistachios ice cream. I have already shared this recipe before. Please do check the recipe link below. Next ice cream, I have made vanilla ice cream. Click the link below or check the playlist at the end of this video. The playlist has all these ice cream recipes. Please do check it. You can add tutti frutti, also known as candied fruit, or any nuts of your choice. I am adding homemade tutti frutti and some nuts to my ice creams. I have given the link for this homemade tutti frutti in the description box below. If you want to do it, please do check it. Add them to the ice creams and mix it well. Cover them and freeze it for 2 hours. Before freezing the vanilla ice cream, we have to make a base with it. Take any mold or shape of your preference. I have used 2 different shapes. My kids asked for igloo shaped ice cream, so made this hemisphere one. I have given the link for the silicone mold in the description box below. If you want one, please do check it or you can use any Pyrex bowl. Let's pour in the vanilla ice cream in the mold. If you are using a bowl or hemisphere mold, take a smaller bowl than this and wrap the bottom with a cling wrap and press it down to make a dome. This cling wrap will help you to take off the bowl later. If you are not using the silicone mold, cover the base bowl with a cling wrap as well, so later you can remove the ice cream easily. Freeze this also for 2 hours. For another shape, I have used my silicone bread mold. This mold is very useful to me when I am baking the cake or bread. Today I am going to use it for my ice cream. I have given the link for this in the description box below. If you want one, please do check it. Pour in the vanilla ice cream and freeze this for 2 hours. Cut the cake into 2 halves. You need only thin slice of cake for this cassata ice cream. After 2 hours, keep out all the ice creams for 5 to 10 minutes before layering. Gently remove the bowl and the cling wrap. Now let's start layering the ice creams. I start with pistachios, then mango, then strawberry. At last, keep the thin slice of cake on top and wrap it up with a cling wrap and let it freeze for overnight or for at least 4 to 6 hours. I'm repeating the same for another shape also. Freeze them overnight or for at least 4 to 6 hours. Let's check this cassata ice cream in the morning. The next day morning, I have kept the ice cream out for 10 minutes now. Let's release the ice cream on sides. I love to use the silicone mold for this. It's super easy to release the ice cream or cake from the mold. Flip it to the plate and gently remove the mold. Wow, look at this beautiful igloo. Cassata tastes more yum when you add some nuts and candied or dried fruits on top. Let's dig in to see the colorful layers. Wow, guys, look at the colorful layers. It's perfect, looks like a cute little rainbow to me. Make this homemade cassata ice cream and enjoy it with your family. Your kids gonna love this. I'm dedicating this recipe to all my subscribers. I will share more yummy and healthy recipes in the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned for it. Check the playlist in the end for the ice cream recipes. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.